Reisman here at Saul's Autotek, and today we're going to talk a little bit about Rolls-Royce service. These are pretty uncommon vehicles, and as a result are often difficult to find service for. Because these vehicles were very well engineered, they have multiple layers of systems into many of the aspects of the vehicle that are substantially different from many others on the road. While your average mechanic that has 10, 15, or 20 years experience may be able to service other vehicles that are luxury or exotics based on experience and knowledge of how those systems work in other common vehicles, Rolls-Royces unfortunately are not that case. Fortunately for you as an owner, we here at Saul's Autotek employ a Rolls-Royce certified technician with 25 years experience. As a result, we're able to take these vehicles, get them taken care of, get them up to date in every way so that they operate the way they were designed to from the factory showroom floor. Whether it's 50 or 60 years old, in the case of these ones we've got sitting on top of us right now with a couple of silver shadows, or modern day to 2018s and up, we're happy to get yours taken care of. If yours was an original Crew, Yorkshire, or England-built vehicle, we can service it. We deal directly with the parts manufacturers that still operate out of those facilities to get you brand new original equipment that was made 60, 70, even 80 years ago to today's standards. We can also service your modern ones that are designed by BMW and produced in Germany by the same technology basis. We have direct access to manufacturer supply chain, so we can world source for those components to get yours on the road and get it repaired as quickly as possible. Oftentimes, dealerships might tell you that it takes weeks, months, or even longer to get parts direct from factory. We go direct to those factories, and we have connections with the internal manufacturers so that we can get them as soon as they're available to ship and distribute and get them directly through customs onto your vehicle. If you've got a concern about your Rolls-Royce, whether you want to keep it up to date, make sure it stays on the road for years to come, or you're looking at restoring an older one, getting it back to where it used to be, and getting those memories back and that use back out of it, come and see us here at Saul's Autotek. We're here 365 days a year so that you can drive it every day, every holiday, every show, or every parade. Come bring us your Rolls-Royce so we can help you stay on the road.